Welcome to Goshen Skills Academy, a community of Microsoft Excel learners. Come along with me and let's look at how to create this interactive delivery tracker where we have our pickup status, our transit status, out for delivery, and our progress in terms of percentage. Then our status after delivery has been made. Alright, so let's open a new worksheet and begin. So we are going to insert our columns. Meanwhile, let's begin with our column header. We'll need 7 columns here. So we have our delivery tracker as the header, title. So we're going to select 7 columns and we are going to center align this, center across selection. And let's begin to enter the names of the shops. The subtitles. We have the shop, product, pickup, in transit, out for delivery. Then we have our final status here. So let's make an adjustment to our columns. All right. So we have 3 shops, shop A, shop B, and shop C. So we can have a lot of entries for this. Let's enter our products right in here. Meanwhile, we are going to leverage on a tool in Excel known as the data validation tool, where we are going to enter a list of all those products. So I have my product here. So let's name this sheet delivery tracker. So let's enter our data validation. We come to the data tab, data validation, and we are going to change this from any value to list. Then let's select our source. So use your mouse pointer to make your selection and select the entire range and press OK. So we can make diverse entries here based on our drop down list. So we are going to fill this. I'm going to fill up to row 20 number of entries, and I'm going to fast forward this. Alright, so now let's paste our validations here. Control C. Then this is the paste special dialog box. I open this with a shortcut Alt plus ES. Then we paste the validation. So we can now select as much as we need to. Awesome. So now let's come to our delivery movements. So from pickup, in transit, and out for delivery. So we are going to insert checkboxes here. So use a shortcut Alt and CB. So we have our checkboxes entered right in there for us. And anytime we enter, we can select, we can do our selections here. So we are going to insert another column right in here, which is going to tell us the progress. So I'm going to remove all this and insert progress. So how are we going to track our progress? So we are going to track our progress with a function. So Countif is what we are going to use. We are going to count this entire range, and the criteria is we need true. Then we are going to divide that by the count A function with the same range. So observe, when we select, we are having some numbers popping up there for us, and let's convert all this into, so let's fill down, Ctrl+D, that's our autofill. Then we convert this to percentages, then we can align it to the center. Awesome. So now we want to enter our progress, we want to enter our status. So the status is going to be a function using the XLOOKUP. So we are asking Excel to search for a criteria called false from this range of cells, and the return array should be the headers, and we are going to log this. If not found, it should be delivered. Then we are going to fill down as well. So output, so this is the beginning aspect. So pickup now moves on to in transit, then out for delivery. If it's all checked, then it's delivered. So we are going to apply a conditional formatting here as well. Come to your home tab, manage rules, or we can start with new rule. So we're going to format cells based on their values, and this will be on number, and the minimum value will be 0 and the maximum will be 1, and our color scale should be a data bar. Then we are going to select this green color here. Awesome. So let's see whether we have everything ready. Great. So our checkers are working, and that's it. So the final thing is to now format your sheet. So we apply our headers here with a green background. Then we can also increase the font size, and also apply similar shades here. As you wish, you can configure it based on how you want it to look. And also we can do same here, and that's it. So catch me up for the next lesson. Do well to like and subscribe. Thank you.